Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add 3D elements to your animal plaques. Grab a needle tool and drawing, not going all the way through all the rest of the details that are inside your animal. If you need to, use the transfer method we used in the last video for the smaller details such as this fin. Place your fin where you want to go and trace it. To attach elements, I want you to use the score and slip method. The score and slip method is making marks with the needle tool to roughen up the edges and then adding really wet clay as the glue. Then smooth it out so it's attached to the slab. Here I roll out a coil and then smooth it out on one side to create depth. I am still scoring and slipping this too to attach it to my fish. Continue these methods more until you have 3 or more 3-dimensional raised areas on your slab animal. Another method you can use is using a flat tool. Using the flat side of the tool, press down into the clay to create different levels. Once you're done, you're ready for the textures.